can't do it because I keep trying to laugh. I keep laughing. He's like at an awkward angle. I can't even face him. Come on, what the heck? Oh, he heard a noise out there. Turn your head so I can face you. Like he did yesterday, it was so funny. Because he was like nibbling, can't do it anymore. He's not gonna do it. You wanna watch him fly? Stop. Hang up the world. He's like, what the heck?
He's all blurry.
He's gonna fly. Hi. You wanna come here?
You're not even doing it now. It's not fair. Now you're just making me look like an idiot. Stop. Don't poop on your box.
I put my rat up there.
It tickles. What if you pooped down like that and it was like smear?
Pshoo.
You tried to steal the pshoo.